Chopping vegetables can be very tedious and time-consuming. If your knife skills are as good as a 4-year-old kid, you know that you need some serious help. These gadgets can simplify the different methods of processing your vegetables. Choosing the right vegetable chopper can save you a lot of time and effort in cutting and slicing the different ingredients needed for your dish. There are many products available to choose vegetable choppers, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best vegetable choppers from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Fullstar Vegetable Chopper. If you want a vegetable chopper that can provide you with at least 11 different cuts of vegetables, you should get this product from Fullstar. This tool comes with 11 different blade attachments and a couple of other useful kitchen tools. There is a protective glove too, to keep your hands safe when using the Mandolin attachment. The materials feature high-quality stainless steel blades to make your vegetable cutting chores a breeze. Cleaning is also never a problem, as you can toss the Fullstar straight into your dishwasher. For all its wonderful attributes, we wish Fullstar included a larger catch tray. Nevertheless, we believe that this Fullstar product deserves your consideration. It is a manual vegetable chopper that can outperform some of the electric food processors in the market. Number 2. Safe Slice Mandolin Slicer. A good vegetable chopper should be able to cut vegetables in many ways. One such gadget is the Safe Slice Mandolin. This kitchen tool has a unique design that lets it stand firmly on your countertop. The best part is that you can get about 30 cuts that include varying thicknesses from 1mm paper-thin slices to thick 8mm strips. Slicing your veggies is also safe because of the ingenious design of the dash. This baby is easy to clean and store, too. We appreciate all the blade attachments of the dash, except for its dicer. We can say the company needs to redesign its dicing attachment to create more uniform diced veggies. Other than that, the Safe Slice Mandolin is perfect for anyone who wants a reliable kitchen gadget to process different ingredients. Number 3. LHS Vegetable Chopper. Reduce your food preparation time by using the LHS Vegetable Chopper. This gadget can grate carrots, cheese, and other ingredients like the Pro. It can also slice cucumbers and other veggies to go in your salad. And if you want diced potatoes or onions in your recipe, the LHS has you covered, too. This kitchen tool even comes with its own handguard to secure your vegetable as you slice it. There is a scraper, too, that can simplify the process of cleaning. You can always sanitize the LHS in your dishwasher when you are done cooking. Do keep in mind that the LHS's vegetable container is a bit smaller than other brands. This is quite understandable, given its friendly price. You get a reliable vegetable chopper at a fraction of the price of similar kitchen tools. Number 4. Brieftons Manual Food Chopper. The Brieftons Manual Food Chopper is every picnicker's best companion for preparing delicious food in the great outdoors. It is so compact and lightweight that you can stash it right in your picnic basket. The gadget does not require electricity to turn its stainless steel cutting blades. All it needs is arm strength to pull a mechanism and rotate the cutting mechanism. And since the blade is inside a 2-cup clear container, there are no worries about cutting your fingers. The design of the Brieftons does not allow for fancy cuts. Therefore, you will never get perfect cubes, ribbons, or strips. However, you get ingredients that you can chop as coarsely or finely as you want. That is why we are inclined to believe that you should consider getting the Brieftons Manual Food Chopper. Number 5. Hamilton Beach Vegetable Chopper. Hamilton Beach is one of those brands you can always trust to put forth reliable and high-quality kitchen products. This is what you are getting with the HB Compact Food Processor and Vegetable Chopper. It has a powerful motor that lets you slice, shred, mince, and puree your veggies and other ingredients in seconds, and with a mere turn of a knob. Watching your veggies get chopped or shredded is also very fun. And you can add ingredients through the chute without ever dismembering yourself. The bowl is large enough to make a salad for the whole family. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information, or if you want to know product price, please do check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below, so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.